Today I'm going to show you how to convert JSON to CSV using Python. Okay, so I'm in Postman and I got this API response from this endpoint or API. So I can convert this JSON into CSV. So to save this response, I can click this three dots here on the right side and save response to file. And I can name it response.json. Save. And I have the file open here. So we can see that it's not really readable. So let's convert it to CSV. So I got this code. This is a 29 lines of code. And this will convert this JSON file to CSV. Okay, so let me explain the code a bit. So this is the part where I'm importing JSON and Pandas as PD, the alias, and I'm just storing the file into a variable called JSON file, and I am going to export the file into a CSV called devices.csv. In here, I'm just opening the JSON file and loading it into Python memory. And here I am converting the dictionary into data frame. Let me actually go ahead and run this code, run in debug. So I got a breakpoint here, and let me show you that data is a dictionary here. So type data, yeah, it's a dictionary. And we can also check the keys. So we see that we have two keys, header and data. So that's why I'm accessing the value of the key data. And I'm basically converting the dictionary into a data frame called df. And here I am selecting the columns that I need. So these are the columns. So here I have a list comprehension, and I am just looping through all the rows and saving the rows into a variable called df. In here, this is where I export the data frame into CSV. Okay, so let me actually go ahead and run this file or code. So Python. So we should see a CSV file called devices.csv. And here's the CSV file. Okay, so that's how easy you can convert JSON to CSV using Python. Okay, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.